Them say the herb it be the healer. Plant wisdom for the dreamer. Roots deep like the earth so brown. Rise high but me stay ground bound. Me sight the sun and it talk to me. Whisper truth about the life me see. Babylon blind but my third eye clear. Herb in a man, me no fear. Herb life, me chant it strong. One puff, two puff, the journey long. Oh, oh, oh. Herb life, guide me way. Yeah, yeah. Jah blessing rain for me every day. Me no bow to no false system. Herb teach me wisdom. Jah light within the fireplace, but it cool my soul. Me walk on Zion, the ultimate goal. Me broke the chains where the wicked them set. Herb make me free, me no live with regret. For the youth them way I struggle in the street. Me sing for uplift, me heart skip a beat. Oh, oh, oh. The herb are the teacher. Oh, it make the weak get braver. Oh, call it the peacemaker. Oh, it connect me with Jah Creator. Oh. Concrete jungle, pressure building high. Man, I search for peace beneath the sky. Babylon walls, them stand so tall and proud, trying to dim our light within the crowd. But a flicker of hope, a steady flame, calling out my spiritual name. Oh, wisdom smoke, sweet herb of the field. A sacred cloak, your truths reveal. Your inspiration flow from the roots so deep. Seeds of motivation grow while the wicked sleep. Rastaman chanter, meditation strong, righting all the wrongs where we belong. Every puff a prayer to the Most High. Wash away the sorrows from my eye. Feel the ancestors whisper in the breeze. Ancient wisdom bringing me ease. Oh, wisdom smoke, fuss, no need for fight. Just a peaceful vibe in the pale moonlight. Open up your mind, let your spirit soar. Understanding life and so much more. One love, one heart, one destiny. Set your inner being truly free. Oh, wisdom smoke, sweet herb of the field. A sacred cloak, your truths revealed. Jah inspiration flow from the roots so deep. Seeds of motivation grow while the wicked sleep. Them say life at the river it a run long. Chalice light up the mind fi be strong. The hills them a call the spirit a sing. We rise in the heart where the lion a king. Me say wisdom flow like water. The fire teach like a father. Chalice flow, chalice grow. Jah love in our heart it a glow. Chalice flow, let it show. Roots feed the mind, make the blessings overflow. In the smoke, me see visions them clear. Truth like the drum beat echo in ear. No chain can bind when the soul it free. Me trod on the path where the ancestors be. Me say wisdom flow like water. The fire teach like a father. Chalice flow, chalice grow. Jah love in our heart it a glow. Chalice flow, let it show. Roots feed the mind, make the blessings overflow. Them say life are the rhythm, we have to move to the beat. Babylon a push, but me stand on me feet. Roots run deep like the earth beneath. Every chant I feel heal, every smoke I feel breathe. Chant and smoke, make the fire ignite. We arise from the dark straight into the light. Chant and smoke, make the truth them see. Free the mind, free the soul, Jah guide we. Wisdom come like the wind, whisper in me ear. Them are blind by the riches, but my vision stay clear. Me not bow to the system, me not live in a fear. Me carry the flame, make the weak them draw near. One love for the people, one love for the land. Me say chant for the freedom, smoke with the band. Chant and smoke, make the fire ignite. We arise from the dark straight into the light. Chant and smoke, make the truth them see. Free the mind, free the soul, Jah guide we. Chant and smoke, chant and smoke, chant and smoke. Rasta say unity them can't divide. Lion heart strong, we not run nor hide. Truth are the armor, love are the sword. Chant and smoke, we are march with the Lord.